Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So nowadays, fortunately, it is not really complicated because your device will do it for you actually, and all you have to do is to simply activate this option. So let's enter the security. I'm pretty sure that you will find it in the menu for sure. So let's enter. Of course, you will have to agree to all of the terms and conditions. And as you can see, the security scan is right here. So let's tap on it. Of course, again, you will have to agree to the privacy policy. So let's tap on agree. And as you can see, your device will scan itself, will scan all of the apps and processes which are currently on this device, and in order to find any malware, any viruses, and so on. What's more, as you can see, it will scan the payment environment, if it is safe, the privacy and security. After that time, of course, it may take a while, so just be patient. After that time, your device will show you if everything looks good, just like in my case, or if there are any kind of problems. If it detected anything, then no worries, it will be listed right here, and you will be able to take some actions in order to get rid of the risk. So for example, remove the viruses or update the system. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to security scan, so how to check for the viruses in your Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.